Well, hello band of awesome. We are practicing some music. This is the introduction song and this is how to play it. So the chords we're using are the G and the C, and I'll be doing different names. We'll start with my name and I'll create a rhythm. Everybody in the band can also create a rhythm, a beatbox. So let's say if it's BenJammin, I might be saying BenJammin, 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 but somebody else might be saying BenJammin, BenJammin. You can put those things together and it's something significantly more amazing. My name is BenJammin. It's Benjamin. My name is BenJammin. What's my name? BenJammin. Who else wants a name in the song? Just raise your hand and we'll sing it along. That's my left hand. That goes up, by the way. Raise your hand and we'll sing it along. And that little bit of choreography movement makes all the difference. Let's say we'll do the name Stephanie. Her name is Stephanie. Stephanie. Her name is Stephanie. What's her name? Stephanie. Who else wants a name in the song? Just raise your hand and we'll sing it along. Philip. His name is Philip. Philip. His name is Philip. What's your name? Philip. One more name for the song. Just raise your hand and we'll sing it along. Yeah, don't forget the raising your hand thing now. Let's do Trina. Her name is Trina. Trina. Her name is Trina. What's her name? Trina. Ending. Very good. A couple different things. Let's go over how that rhythm goes. Okay. Now, a lot of this is happening with the fingers are pressing down on the strings. Dun, 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 dun. We're tapping that rhythm, or we're pressing down on that rhythm. We pick our fingers up. We want it to just buzz, and then we press down. We want it to ring out. Up. So it's just like your fingers going tap, 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 tap. You got that, no problem. We'll do it one more time, nice and slow for going over the details. Her name is, let's do Shelby. His name is Shelby. Shelby. His name is Shelby. What's his name? Shelby. Go for it. Good job.